Michaela is a production manager. Change requests are part of her daily routine. But making changes without proper clarification is a costly risk. Budget overruns, material waste, and delays that only become visible when it's too late. With every change, Michaela faces the same questions. Who is responsible? Which departments are affected? What costs and risks are involved? With Axon Ivy's digital process portal, change requests are centrally captured and managed. Tasks, priorities, and department-specific responsibilities, role-based and transparent, all in one place. In the digital dossier, feasibility, costs, and risks are assessed, providing the foundation for informed decisions before any change is implemented. The result: no more costly surprises. Faster decisions, reduced risks, more efficient communication. A digital change request process improves workflows, raises quality, and relieves teams. Book a demo now, and avoid costly surprises.